Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make vertices circular in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cube, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add the cube here. Close up to view it, and then we can select the cube and then go to Add Small. Make sure that we select Vertex Selection, and we can show the vertices. But we can see that on these faces, we have 4 vertices. This is not enough to make circular, so we need to add geometry. One of the ways we can use loop cut. I select loop cut and click to add geometry, something like this. So we can select the vertices around the edge. And I change to top view, and we can go to make it circular. We have 2 ways. The first way, we can go to merge and transform. We can find to sphere. Click and then move the cursor to change it to circular. And click to apply it. And then we can go to the to sphere panel. We can adjust the factor. This is the first way. I go back by Ctrl Z. The second way, we can go to merge. We can go to transform again, and we can find to circle. Click, and then we can find the factor to adjust the shape. Make sure that this is 1, and then we can rotate, and we can type the value to 45 to change it. And also we can change the size by activate the radius to change the size of the circular shape. So this is the 2 ways to make vertices circular in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.